If we want to add a comment, for example, we can come to this precise point right after the properties, and we want to add a comment where we can write the detailed description of the strategy. Or we write a whole series of things that we like, we write them down. We have two ways to add comments. One is to use the double slashes, which comments out the entire line. So, as long as you write on this line, it will always be a comment. But if we want to write two lines, for example, we have to put double slashes again and start writing our comment. Another faster method that I use, for example, is to write, usually at the beginning of the expert. I add a few lines where I describe the strategy, also to remind myself, because maybe a year from now, I'll look at the expert and I won't remember exactly what it does. So in the first few lines, I note down the important things, the strategy, if I did something special. Another effective way is to use the forward slash with the asterisk. So from that point down, everything will be comprehensively commented out. In this particular case, we've commented out the entire expert, but let's go ahead and carefully write our comments, perhaps 5 or 6 lines. And to end the comment, we do the exact opposite, an asterisk and then a forward slash. This way, only that specific part is commented out. These are the two primary options we have for adding comments. This also works, for example, on a specific piece of code. If I want to comment out a section so that it absolutely doesn't run, I can use double forward slashes, and that particular command won't be executed. Let's